In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint in 5 minutes, a concise guide created by Heck Media. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to sharpen your presentation skills, this tutorial is tailored for you. We'll dive into how to access and navigate PowerPoint, starting from the very basics to getting you on the path of creating engaging and visually appealing presentations. Let's walk through the process of starting with PowerPoint, ensuring that we cover all the necessary steps so you can follow along seamlessly. The very first thing you need to do is to sign into your Microsoft account. This might sound straightforward, but it's the gateway to accessing the vast array of Microsoft services, including PowerPoint. Simply look for the Sign In button and click on it. Once you've clicked Sign In, you will be prompted to enter your Microsoft email. Take your time to enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've filled in your email, go ahead and click Next. This brings you to the part where you'll have to enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you enter it exactly how it was created. Then click on Sign In once again. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the doorstep of Microsoft 365's suite of applications. Here's where you can access PowerPoint by following the provided link to the Microsoft 365 PowerPoint section. You might see a lot of options, but don't let that overwhelm you. Look for PowerPoint among the options and select it to proceed. Now for the exciting part, starting your presentation. You will be presented with two main choices, starting with a blank presentation or opening an existing presentation. If you're kicking off a new project, selecting a blank presentation will be your go-to. However, if you're here to continue working on or to revise an existing project, then choose to open an existing presentation. Alright, with your presentation canvas ready, it's time to bring your ideas to life. The PowerPoint interface might appear a bit daunting at first glance with its myriad of tools and options in the ribbon. However, each tool and feature is designed to help you create a more impactful presentation. You can add text to lay down your main ideas or points, images to bring a visual dimension to your arguments, and even charts to present data in an understandable way. The ribbon at the top houses all these options, neatly organized into tabs for easy access. Here's a little tip. When adding images or charts, try to ensure they complement your narrative rather than distract from it. Balance is key in creating presentations that are both informative and engaging. To add these elements, simply navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and you'll find options to insert images, shapes, charts, and more. Select what you need, and it will appear on your slide. You can then move it around and resize it as needed. Editing in PowerPoint is intuitive. Click on any element to select it, and then drag to move or adjust its size. Text boxes can be added by selecting the text tool, clicking on your slide and typing away. To enhance the visual appeal of your text, explore the font styles, colors and sizes available. Remember, the aim is to make your presentation visually compelling and easy to read. As you become more familiar with PowerPoint's features, I encourage you to explore beyond the basics. Experiment with themes and slide transitions to add a professional touch to your presentations. These features can be found under the Design and Transitions tabs respectively. A well-chosen theme gives your presentation a cohesive look, while subtle transitions can add dynamism to your slides. Finally, save your work regularly to avoid any heartbreaking losses of progress. PowerPoint offers options to save your presentations directly to your computer or to the cloud via OneDrive. Saving to the cloud has the added benefit of allowing you to access your presentation from any device, anywhere, at any time. And there you have it. A quick yet comprehensive guide to getting started with PowerPoint. Don't hesitate to pause this video and rewatch any sections you need more time with. Practice is key to mastering PowerPoint, so I encourage you to dive in and start experimenting with creating your own presentations. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you create.